But you remember the snowstorm?
I remember the snowstorm, but man, I've bits and pieces of it. I just know that you and me had left Nashville. From Nashville to Memphis, it's 205 miles one way. All of a sudden, we're driving down there. It gets real hairy, and things start freezing up. You continue.
Well, it was bad weather that day.
Well, who was I working with that night? You were the booker. I mean, I'm sure it was a great angle to help further my cause.
It was going to blow the roof off.
Genius.
It was going to blow the roof off the Mid-South. But it was bad weather, and they were predicting snow, but, it's going to miss us. No, the Weather Channel said, no problem. So we start driving in your Air Honda.
Yep. So
we're driving down, and it starts snowing a little harder. And I had called, I forgot who, I think I called Lawler. I said, hey, you're not going to cancel it? No, we're not going to cancel. We don't do that.
And that was a call from either your place or off the side of the road, because we didn't have no cell phones back in.
No, we didn't have any cell phones. So we start driving, and as closer we got to Memphis, the more the snow started coming down. And by the time we got to Memphis, hell, we was in a damn blizzard. And so I remember, and it was getting dark too, and it's colder than hell, and we get off that Highland Avenue, and we try to work our way around to that Coliseum. When we pull in, and we run right into Lawler pulling out. And you rode your window down and you said, hey, we're running? No, we're not running. It's a blizzard. What is wrong with you guys? Are you crazy?
And the thing about it is, Lawler lives in Memphis. He didn't just drive 205 miles. He didn't have 205 miles to drive back home.
So it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon and it's dark. This is January, February, so we start back. Another 205. It's actually long. It's about 230 is what it is, but it's a long way. Now we got to go through the storm. Now the storm was moving east, and we were going west, so we was, on the way back, now it's longer. Now it's going the way we're going.
Yep.
And we go about, 100 miles. I remember your windshield had a little crack in it, and somehow some moisture would get in. It actually started snowing in your car. We were inside. And we made it as far as some truck stop, and we spent the night on the side at the truck stop, sleeping on one of the booths there.
Right.
And we got back in about the next day about 11 o'clock, and I remember I got sick, almost died of the flu or a really bad cold, and I never will forget that. We got in. Finally, we slipped and slid and worked our way